Hi, I'm at the Senesac Boat Club, Yacht Harbor. I don't know what this is. Marine Center, I guess. I think Senesac is, must be like from the local Indians. I believe they're the Pavunga Indians. And Senesac, I believe, means boat shop. Anyway, so here we are. I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff on this runabout, and anyway, I had a couple challenges, and I just wanted to share them with you, and hopefully we'll all learn a cool thing or two. Who knows?
This boat has been partially completed and I am now coming in to finish it up. This forward cockpit corner was not correctly developed. Here I am talking about the modification of the cockpit interior edge and transition to the dashboard surface that already exists. The black line on the corner is my cut line, and that allows for the same angle as the current dashboard. You can see that I'm making a lower support piece that will allow the edge trim board to match up with the existing helm surface. These parts were cut from a solid mahogany plank, but first cardboard templates were made and then the mahogany parts were fabricated. The parts were hot glued into position and additional marks were sketched onto the parts, then cut, sanded, and consequently epoxied into position. The final image shows some cardboard on the newly formed surface and how it will look when the wood trim is applied in that area. Thanks for watching. Have a super day. A Perfect Yacht is a subsidiary of Styron Yacht Management.